Thank you.
Thank you po. So to tell us about their franchise program, I would like to introduce our seventh presenter, the owner of DL Weddings for Less. Let's welcome Miss Laika and Mr. Daryl Bincal.
Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you hear us po?
Yes
Ms.
po.
Kathleen? All right, so we're going to share to you our presentation. So, all right, can you see our presentation now?
Yes po.
All right, so welcome everyone. We are DL Weddings for Less. I am Daryl once again, and this is Miss Laika or Mrs. Laika, my wife. So we're going to present to you this afternoon our concept, which is DL Weddings for Less, business na may forever. Okay. All right. So, all right. So, DL Weddings for Less is is the Philippines' premier wedding agency, which offers practical and complete wedding solutions. And we are a member of the Filipino International Franchise Association. All right. So, we're going to talk about the wedding as a business. We're going to also tell you who is DL Weddings for Less, our business, your new business, and how to franchise our business. All right. So first is we're going to discuss to you as a wedding as a business. So the wedding is very very old actually. So before I was born and my wife, nandiyan na po ang weddings, no. So this is until from this time, weddings are still here, no, still exist. So therefore, it's a very good business. Why? Number one, it's time tested, not a fad. It keeps evolving, and couples want to spend more. Actually, yun po yung parang naan nila sa wedding na parang walang kita. No, but the couples want to spend more because based on our experience,
it's a once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. Then of course, it's a pandemic proof. It's because since nagkaroon po ng pandemya, our business is thriving. So we have unlimited clients. Well, actually, the potential is unlimited. All right.
So let me discuss who is DL Weddings for Less. So technically, we are DL Weddings for Less, Daryl and Laika. So DL Weddings for Less was established last July 21, 2018. So technically, we just turned 2 years old this year. So by that time, so nagkaroon na kami ng more than 150 signed clients for the just 2 years. And then this is our mission and vision. So to provide excellent service, practical and complete event solutions for every Filipino. And vision is to be a well-known, most loved, promising and profitable event solution provider in the industry with available location across the Philippines. So kaya we are into business expansion through franchising. So, how do we do business? So, marami nagtatanong kung paano nag-run si DL Weddings for Less. So, basically, we run through sales and marketing effort. And then, we are responsible actually for overseeing the management and the development of all the services. So, the business is perfect for the starting entrepreneurs, especially those who are looking for the work-at-home business opportunities. Yan. So, it is very easy to manage. So, no need to worry for inventories since wala siyang perishable goods na dapat i-monitor.
Itago.
Yes, this is our previous clients. So, next slide. Yan. So, sa mismong wedding, uma-attend si DL Weddings for Less, kasama yung sa trabaho niya. Then, during the signing of contracts, yun yung mga previous clients namin. Next slide. Yan. So, we also have, this is our services. Okay. So, ang core services ni DL Weddings for Less, we have all-in wedding packages. So, available for grand weddings, like for example, for 100 packs and more. Then, since affected ang mass gatherings during this time, this pandemic, meron kaming ino-offer ngayon na civil weddings, which is yung talagang first niche ni DL Weddings for Less. So, we also offer customized wedding packages. Kung ano ang requirements and need ng ating client. So, yun ang pinoprovide ni DL Weddings for Less. Meron din kaming available na wedding officiant or yung solemnizing officer. Meron din kaming documentation assistance na ino-offer. So, next slide. So, meron din kaming other services such as supplier sourcing. So meron kaming mga in-house hair and makeup services, catering, photo and video. So kompleto, even yung mga minimal details ng wedding like cakes, bridal cars, souvenirs, meron po si DL Weddings for Less. So ito yung mga kilalang wedding packages ni DL Weddings for Less. So we have 168,000, good for 100 packs. So venue and attire na lang ang halos ang hindi kasama dyan. Then ito ang mabenta ngayong pandemic sa amin, which is yung stress-free civil wedding package na nagre-rate ng 12,000 lang. So ano ang kakaiba kay DL Weddings for Less? So we always bring innovation sa business, sa wedding industry. So si Daryl kasi isang IT specialist. So, meron kaming dinevelop ngayon na digital wedding planning portal. Then, meron din kaming vast payment options and online planning and consultations. So, ito yung itsura ni digital wedding planning portal na dinevelop ni DL Weddings for Less. So, ayan. So, pwede kayong mag-plan anytime and anywhere. So, basta may internet connection, tuloy ang preparation and planning ng wedding. Yan, next slide. So sa ngayon, since hindi tayo nakakapag face-to-face meeting, meron din kaming virtual meeting na ginagawa through Google Meet and Zoom meetings. Yan, ito po yung mga payment channels. Since ang ino-offer talaga namin sa mga clients namin is convenience din talaga. So pwede silang magbayad through banks, yan. So pwede rin sa 7-Eleven, sa mga mall, so kung saan malapit sa kanila. So, nag-accept din kami ng credit card payment sa mga major credit cards.
Alright, we're going to discuss naman your new business. So, why franchise DL Weddings for Less? Number one, because it's being the pioneer in the Philippines, there are many benefits of why franchising DL Weddings for Less. Number one, it's very profitable business. Easy to manage with tested and proven system. Never-ending business. Yun nga po yung sinabi ko kanina. Before we are born, nandyan ang weddings. Until we die, nandyan pa rin po ang weddings. No? So it's a never-ending business. No perishable goods to keep. Bookings are all year round. Wala siyang dead times. No? Kasi bookings naman is 1 year ahead. So couples can plan ahead. So higher rate of success than startup. Cost less than starting on your own. And proven management and work practices. We have support and security. We can have a business assistance. No prior experience needed because we are going to train you if you go with us. So guaranteed territory. So hindi ito yung traditional na meron tayong pwesto because we offer you can have your own branch or you can do it at home. So the territory, you can do business on your own territory. That's good for business. Ability to tap to collective buying power franchise or marketing, advertising, promotion assistance, evident collaboration. You are always assured that franchisor is there for you to succeed. So additionally, additional limited possible income, fast return of investment, provide huge earning potential, can be home-based as what I'm saying, gives you freedom of time, lifetime support, and continuous training, perfect for starting entrepreneurs, area exclusivity, advanced marketing strategy, aggressive marketing campaign support, proven management system, long-term business plan, shared success, and of course, established brand and identity. So this is just a backgrounder on the wedding statistics in the Philippines. So in 2018, the total number of marriages in the Philippines recorded was 449,169. So imagine that's a lot, no? So kahit 1% of that, it's actually very, very big, no? So the percentage change in marriage recorded increased from 3.3 to 3.6. So the Philippine market talaga, one thing is talaga namang nandyan yung marriage, no? So hindi nawawala siya. So kahit ngayon, nag-i-increase pa siya. So Filipino men and women also marrying other nationalities in the Philippines, so we can also handle those. So there were 141 marriages between Filipino nationals and foreign nationals. So marriages are also contracted through civil ceremony. So there were 1,231 marriages solemnized daily through different types of ceremony in 2018. So that's 1,231 marriages daily.
Sa
civil wedding pa lang. So imagine the business opportunity that you can have. It's like a running water, no? So you just have to tap the right people or the right clients. So what are the difference between franchising us and doing a startup? So number one, if you're going to franchise us, you're gonna be your own boss, no? So proven model na siya. Valuable support, manageable yung cost kasi you don't have perishable goods, large scale marketing support, no inventory. So in startup, costly investment, you're on your own. You don't have any. You started from scratch, no? So risky siya. Success not guaranteed. Lack of training and support. Overwhelming and strenuous siya. Mahirap talaga kasi we've been there. So the franchise is the total turnkey is 350,000. So the administration fee is 150. It's divided into two. So the administration is 150. The franchise cost is 200, and the reservation is 20,000. So these are the information. So the term would be 5 years. Renewable siya in the again after 5 years. Renewal natin is 50%. Service fee is 3%.
Monthly.
Yes, monthly and royalty fees 2%. So the return, the target is 2 to 9 months yung ROI natin.
Fastest 2 months.
Fastest 2 months. And it doesn't require any space. All right, we have a promo. It's less 50,000 for the first 3 franchisees. So if you get this, you'll get less 50,000 for the franchise fee. Okay, here in the inclusions natin. So, area exclusivity, social media boost assistance, access to our digital wedding planning portal. So we are actually enhancing it right now for version 2.0. We're planning to launch it this year. So kasama rin siya sa franchise. So financial system, we have auto billing. So hindi na kayo mahihirapan. So you can use the system. You have a professional email, you've been provided one. Use of our trademark DL Weddings for the system, CRM system, comprehensive manual, contract template, legal assistance, office layout, operating assistant training, supplier sourcing assistance. And of course, ang kagandahan po pa nag-franchise kayo sa amin, may bibigay na kaming product sa inyo. No? So mag-start na lang kayo. So it's just shell out 350, you will get this. No? So brand new laptop, brand new printer, roll-up banner, metal cardboard, collapsible cart so that you can do on-site marketing sa mga churches. And so acrylic brochure, 3 boxes of business cards, 1,000 pieces of brochure, 4 pieces of ID lace, 4 pieces or sets of uniform and ID card design. So ito po siya. As discussed, we have 83 franchise territories available in the Philippines. So ayan po siya. And these are our office layout. And we were featured just last Sunday sa Swak na Swak via the Kapamilya channel, ANC, PFC, and GP TV. So how to franchise? Step 1, you send us your comprehensive resume. And step 2, we will review it. Step 3, we will invite you and discuss the franchise details. Step 4, we'll actually review, if applicable, if you want to set up your own branch or your brick or mortar store office. So step 5, execute the agreement. And 6 is training. 7, marketing assistant. 8 is opening day. And by the way, so if you want to franchise, we have in cooperation with Blend PH, you can actually start DL Weddings for less for only 17,000 per month. So payable for 36 months via the Blend PH. So if you're really interested, we can go on that. So the Blend.ph. All right, so if you want to know more about us, please visit our website at dlweddingsforless.com, our Facebook page, DL Weddings for Less, and our Instagram at dlweddingsforless.ph. All right, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.